up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this candle, WoodWick candle. This is the clove tea. We've had this one for a while. This is actually my mom's candle. She got it from her job. From what I know, I think these candles are pretty expensive, but she got it for free. But yeah, it smells really good. I tried to find the notes for this, but I don't know if this is like one of their older scents. I mean, it says new here because my mom probably got it when it was like a newer scent, but I could not find this. I've seen it at Kohl's, like on the website, but they didn't have like the fragrance notes, so I'm just guessing maybe the notes are just clove and tea. But it has like a really like warm, like spiced, oh, I see a dragonfly. Sorry. Like a warm spice, like, I don't know if it's tea, but it's like, it's definitely a spicy scent. I think this is like perfect for fall time because of those like spices. It just smells like, it smells really good. I don't know why, like, I like to touch the wax to see what it feels like, and it feels kind of like oily. I don't know what that means. It's probably like essential oils in there. You guys, I'm gonna burn this candle. Hopefully nothing happens. I have this torch. This is my brother's torch. Yeah, I have a cup of water right here. So yeah, because these candles, y'all, when you burn them, they have like this crackling noise. Like, it's like, not as big as like a fireplace or anything like that, but like it's like a soothing, like crackling noise, and with the scent it kind of like just, I don't know, brings a very like calming mood. So yeah, let's torch this candle. Do y'all see my face? Okay, we're gonna listen. Can you guys hear that? It sounds so nice. Hold on, I'm gonna put it like kind of close to my phone. But I feel like y'all want visuals, so there we go. I feel like it's going out of control. Don't try this at home, kids. I really love that sound. Should I keep it going, or I might blow it out now because I don't want it to. I'm gonna just wait until it melts some of the wax so I can get like the scent. I mean, I've burned this candle before, and like the scent, it like carries, like, ooh, what was that? The scent, it like, it really fills the house up. Yeah, I'm gonna let it burn for a little. On the, what do you call this? The lid, it just has, their logo, and it says, with plus wick innovation, this patent wick design delivers soothing crackle, yes, very soothing, fast fragrance, very true, and a better burn. It's like really soothing. I wonder, I mean, I would never try that though, but like, I could fall asleep to this. Don't fall asleep while a candle is being burned. It says, for best burn results, burn candle 3 to 4 hours per use. Trim wick to 1/8 before each use. To trim, wick, gently break off burned edges with fingertips and discard. Avoid drafts. I don't think I've ever like trimmed the wick. But, can y'all still hear that? I'm trying to, like, talk a little bit quiet so y'all can hear it. Such a beautiful sound. Okay, I think I'm gonna blow it out. After this, I might have, like, a, either after or before, I might just have, like, a video of the candle while it's burning. That's a lot of smoke. It's such a big wick. I'm gonna show you guys the wick. As you can see, it is like it's a cross. What do they call it? Plus wick. Yep. And the top is already like burnt off. You can see like it's wood, so I don't know, like, what do they do to make it crackle like that? Maybe it is just the design, but I would really like to get more of these. Ooh, as the wax melts, I can smell more of like a tea, like a spiced tea, really. Oh yes, this is like perfect fall candle. Yeah, the packaging is very like simple. I really like this lid though, how it's made of wood. This makes me like I really want to start making candles, and I've already started making soaps. So my next video it might be my own review on my own like soap product. Me and my sister are trying to start this soaping business, and maybe we might add candles later on and like other like natural products. But yeah, I want to do this. I want to make my own candles now. I mean, we've been had that idea for like the beginning of this, from like the beginning of this year, but we didn't really like buy the supplies and stuff because we was working on their what do you call it, our polymer clay business. But we do have some soaps, so my next video might be that, reviewing that. But yeah, here's the packaging. Very simple. I thought the notes would be right here, but it's not. It just says, warning, burn candle with inside. Keep away from things that catch fire. Keep out of reach of children and pets. I'm glad my cat didn't come in here this time. A lot of the times when I record, he always comes in here. But, yeah. I think this is going to be the end of this video, you guys. Pretty short. Well, almost 8 minutes. But, yeah. This is going to be the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.